Alright, so Samuel turned the car into accessory mode and he's moving the mirror caps, the left side right now, all the way to the downward position, correct? So he's hovering the pry bar, sticking it underneath the mirror. There you go. And there you go. One right here, and then one right there. Those 3 screws you unscrew. I'm going to literally just pull the cap off. Take these 3 screws off. Nice. And then that's going to go on the new mirror cap. Just gonna go right here on the new mirror cap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, bro.
Compared to the other side.
Yes, bro. I mean, this still looks good, but not as good in my opinion.